Welcome back for another Creator Spotlight video. The channel I want to introduce to you today is called Tech Made Easy. Now, as a smaller channel, let me tell you, the struggle is definitely real. So when other creators offer to collaborate, I welcome and appreciate it. Recently, when I was searching for information about the new Milwaukee mower, I stumbled onto the channel Tech Made Easy. The video I found there is a great comprehensive review of the Ego versus Milwaukee battery powered mowers. After watching the video, I left a comment and Al responded advising me that he was familiar with my channel and that he would like to collaborate. Now, I'm here to tell you that is a very rare thing when a larger channel offers to collaborate with you. And I definitely appreciate it when that happens, when they're willing to help other channels get a little bit of visibility. So that is why I would like to highlight Al over at Tech Made Easy. Now, something you will pick up on pretty quickly is that you never see Al. But you do see Brooklyn, who is Al's faithful assistant. It's a different style on this channel, but very engaging nonetheless. Along with reviews on lawn-related equipment, there's a bunch of other interesting content to explore. What stood out to me the most was the detailed head-to-head comparison reviews and the Ego brand product reviews. Now, some of my favorite videos include the videos on the Keurig coffee maker, the different iPhone models, and various types of dog feeders. The dog feeder videos were really fun to watch. I didn't even know they made those types of feeders. So, very cool things on this channel, and you can also follow them on Instagram. I really enjoy this channel, and I think it has something of interest for everyone. So head on over to Tech Made Easy and check them out. Do not forget to tell them that GirlzLawn sent you over there.